Hi guys, it's Mr. Smith and it's time for another Friday Minecraft math video. You know you love it. You know you do. Anyways, you probably don't, but I give it to you anyways. So we're going to talk about enchantments today because I thought that might be fun. So, there's no math involved in enchantments in Minecraft. You probably didn't know that. They fooled you into doing math when you play Minecraft. So, how is math involved in enchantments? Well, let's see here. If I want to enchant this lovely diamond sword with sweeping edge, ooh, fire aspect. Okay, so if I want to enchant it with sweeping edge, I have to have level 30 in order to do it. Now, in case you didn't know, my level is that green number in the middle of the screen on the bottom. So my enchantment right now is 24. So guys, I need to know how many more levels of experience I need to have in order to enchant my sword. Okay? So, I need to be at 30 and I'm only at 24. So how many more levels does Mr. Smith need to get? So that's my first question. So answer that and then I'll come back. So we're here in Paint. We're going to use this as our whiteboard a little bit. If I can see where anything is. I hate when the... Okay, there we go. Sometimes the cursor disappears and I'm not really sure why. I think it has to do with using OBS. So, what do we know already? We know that Mr. Smith... We don't need to do a plus. Why am I doing that? It's just silly. Alright. So we know that Mr. Smith has 24 levels. Now, we know he needs to get to 30 levels in order to do one of those nifty little enchantments. So, how do we find the difference? Remember, guys, if we're doing a difference, we need to do minus. Now, there's a tricky part of this. See this number here? It's 0. If you have 0 of something, you cannot take 4 away from it. So we have to take this 10 and put 10 of them over here. So we made this, because this is really 3 10s. Now it's 2 10s. And now we have a 10 over here. So this is 10 minus 4. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we take 4 away, cross them out, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. So Mr. Smith needs 6 more levels to get to 30 from 24. So that's the first part. Okay. So guys, hopefully you did the math for that and you know, figure out that I'm at level 24. How many do I need to get to be at level 30? But there's more math involved other than that. Oh, we should make a bow too. So, I want to enchant 1, 2, 3, 4 things. So not only do I need to get to level 30, I need to get higher than that because every time I enchant one of these, let me show you. There's so much math. That's why I love Minecraft, because it's very math related. You didn't know that, did you? I'm probably ruining Minecraft for you, aren't I? So in order to do this, you need to be at level 30, and it takes... See, it says 2 enchantment levels. This takes 3 enchantment levels. So, in order to enchant all these things at the highest level, you need to do a math problem. You need to figure out how many levels you need for 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we need to have 3 times 4 more than 30. So that is a complicated math problem. So I'm going to let you figure that out. Maybe Mr. Smith will go to his little whiteboard thing and everything. And then we'll be back. All right, the next part of this is a little trickier. What is that doing up there? The next part of this is a little trickier. So we need to figure out how many levels we need to do for enchantments. So we have... Each one of them needs 3, because the cost is 3 enchantment levels. So we have 4 groups of 3 is what we said, right? So we can do this a couple of ways. We can do 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So that's 3 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12. This is also 3 times, because it's 3 groups of 4. And that is also 12. So Mr. Smith needs 12 levels to enchant all 4 things. But not 12 levels from 24. We need to get to 30. And then we need to get 12 more. So, 30 plus 12, 0 plus 2. We can do this because it's plus. 2 plus 0 is 2. And 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. Now, Mr. Smith has to be good enough at Minecraft to get to level 42. That is a bigger question. But he's going to try. You know he's going to try. He always tries. Alright. So we'll see you back in Minecraft, guys. Hi, guys. It's Mr. Smith. So listen, I don't condone violence, but I have been up all night fighting things to try and get my experience level up. I'm up to 27. I was at 24. That's an Enderman. Oh! Oh no. Oh. I just kind of wanted to give you an update, let you know I'm working hard on your behalf so that you can get a meaningful math lesson out of this. So... Oh, look at him. He's dangerous. Oh, I'm out of arrows. Uh-oh. Oh no. This could be bad, guys. Oh, it's more than... Oh, thank God. That would have been bad. Actually, you guys would have thought that was hilarious. I, however, do not. So, anyways, I just wanted to give you an update. I'll be back when I'm closer to a lot more levels than this. Oh, God. Oh, guys. I thought I was fighting those skeletons, and I didn't realize the creeper was going to blow me up, too. Hi, guys. I'm obviously at 30 levels, but I might die, and then it doesn't matter. We should eat. So I thought I'd bring you in on the fight of my life here. Just trying to survive the night so I could go enchant at least one of these things. I give it up on getting enough levels to enchant everything. I'm not that good, I'm sorry. Let's see, is everything gone? Who's gonna kill me? I'm out of arrows. Alright. Can't do any more ranged attacks. Oh, jeez. He's gonna come after me. Oh, I got his bow. Alright, we should just not press our luck, because I'm gonna die! Alright. We're gonna go enchant at least one of these things. I hate when that happens. Uglying up my land. Anyways. Hi, chickens! We put these chickens in here, if you remember. There's a baby cow. He's cute. So I do a lot to get these levels. I got did some mining. I did some fighting, obviously. You saw that. I would keep playing until I got to 42 levels, but you gotta sleep sometime. But anyways, alright. So, you need to use some lapis. Put some lapis in. Let's see what our options are. We can make unbreaking on a shovel. I don't really want to waste it on a shovel. Sweeping edge, fire aspect. That's not a bad idea. So let's try unbreaking. Unbreaking on a diamond pick is really good to have. It's good for mining. Now, this is a mining game, actually. I think we're gonna go with the unbreaking 3 and hope we get some other stuff on top of that. So you guys ready? Here we go. Bump-a-da-bop. Bam. Oh, all we got was unbreaking. So anyways, guys, thanks for all your hard work this week. I know that some of you are diligent with the online learning. Some of you are doing your own stuff at home. Thanks so much for doing all the hard work you're doing. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this math lesson. We did a little bit of math. We did a little bit of goofing off. That's kind of how it works. I tried going in the nether and getting levels that way, maybe showing you a little bit of the nether, but it's still way too dangerous in there. So anyways, guys, have a great weekend. You've earned it. Bye, everybody.